Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can edit our profile and add rate chart. So as you can see, I'm currently on my dashboard page. So we'll click on edit profile. So this will open few options to edit this in the account details. So on the left hand sidebar, we'll see account details as active. So as you can see, first we can upload our profile image through from this section. And below that we have two tabs. First is basic info and home details. So for any details that you want to edit and update, you can add this. You can also add if you have some cancellation policy and what are the terms of it. Once you add any make any changes, you will have to click on save change, but all the fields can be edited except for country. So all those rest of the fields can be editable. So then we'll move to home details. So home details provides us information about setter, what kind of house the setter lives in. For some house setting services or hostel check-in services, these details will be useful. So does it has also information about your pets? Does the pet sitter have pets? And you can fill this information and click on save changes. So that way you will update your information. So let's try to change our name to setter, and then we'll click on save. So as you can see, we got a profile success message, profile updated successfully. Let's go back on our dashboard. So as you can see on our profile header, we got our updated name. So once you make any changes, it will automatically update on your profile as well. So let's go to rate chart. So rate chart are nothing but the services that you offer and what is the pricing for it. So this details can be viewed by customer while booking. So this will be very helpful for them to check your pricing and what kind of services that you provide. So over here on the rate chart, we have an option to add our services. So you can manually enter the service, or you can also select using quick add chips. So let's say you provide dog walking, you can click on dog walking and you can add your rate accordingly. So let's say I added 100 and then we'll click on add. So as you can see, our services has been added. The 100 is nothing but per hour cost of dog walking. Likewise, you can select hostel check-in, daycare, and a host setting and add their cost, and then click on add button. So once you click on add button, you can see this services with being added on the table. And to save them, you have to click on save button. So this will save your services. You can easily edit and delete those services from this section. Also, if you provide any other services apart from the quick add ones, you can manually enter the service name and add a cost of it, and then again click on add button and then click on save. So as you can see, our other name service has been also been added with the uh, price and unit and action. So you can also edit and delete this services. So next card is about the additional rates. So here what does if suppose you have some special charges, right, that you have for a special day or a weekend or a holiday, you want to charge more than your current base rate, right? You can add those multiples here. So let's say I want to charge 2 times on a special day or a holiday, and weekend also I want to charge uh, 1.5 times of my current base rate. Um, so next field is about extended rate. So if the service has been booked for 2 hours and due to some reason it is getting extended, you can also mention and add your extended rate per hour. So you can say, hey, if the service is getting extended, you have to charge for the extended hour of time. You can also add a puppy care multiplier. So let's say if you are operating on a puppy, you can just add the multiplier of the base rate. And if you have want to add information related to tax, you can also add this and then click on save additional rates. So this information is helpful for users. Like I said, right, once they fill some form and on the search result on the setter card, they will see two buttons. First is book and second is details. So once they click on details, they will be able to see all this information about your services, what are the different services you provide and what are their prices, along with the additional rate. So what is the additional rate for a weekend? If this is a weekend, they will be charged 2 times of the current default price for dog walking. The other section on the sidebar is about special day. So the special day multiplier that we added, right? So you can also add that special day. So suppose I have added April of 11th and special. You can just name this and then click on add and then click on save. So it will treat April 11 as your special day. And if you go to your rate chart, so you have added a multiplier on holiday or special day, right? So on this April of 11th of April, it will charge 2 times of your current rate of the services that is opting for. So likewise, you can show this to user while they book their services. So this is how you edit your profile and add rate chart and add a special day list on your profile. Thank you.